Let's talk about money. And since you're here, I'm assuming you're probably wondering, what is this whole financial makeover thing all about? Well, I'm glad you asked, because over the next few minutes, you're going to learn more about money than most economic professors teach in an entire semester. In fact, in less time than it takes you to watch a sitcom, you'll know where your money is going, how to get it back, how to make more of it, how to keep it, and how to make it work for you. And to make it simple, there are only 4 numbers you'll need to remember. 4, 3, 2, and 1. These numbers represent the 4 financial roadblocks everyone faces, the 3 solutions needed to overcome each of them, your 2 financial objectives in life, and the 1 company that can handle it all for you. With that said, let's start with the 4 roadblocks that are taking your money away from you. Taxes, credit and debt, big business, and inflation. These are the 4 biggest obstacles preventing over 90% of Americans from ever becoming wealthy. Why? Because from the day we're born, we've all been taught to get a good education so we can get a good job, and then what? We end up working 40 hours or more per week for someone else so we can give a third of our income to the government in taxes. We then use credit to make up for this loss or to finance the lifestyle we want, causing us to go into debt, where we end up giving another third of our income to the banks. This leaves us with the last third of our income to cover normal living expenses. Things like gas, groceries, insurance, utilities, dining out, and all the monthly holidays or events that are capitalized on by big business. And, you guessed it, big business usually ends up taking what's left, leaving us with little or no money to save or invest for retirement. Sounds depressing, right? Well, it's not over yet. Because while we're busy giving most of our money to the big 3, inflation, also known as the silent income killer, is subtly increasing the cost of goods and services faster than our incomes grow. This scenario has most people living paycheck to paycheck or going backwards every month. So, how do you fix it? That's a great question. And you'll be glad to know that there are only 3 solutions you'll ever need to overcome